Hallo YouTube. Nu vil jeg gerne spille lidt GTA 5. En mission. Og yep. Og ja, så vil jeg bare komme i gang.
Message for me, get off your fat ass.
See, this exercise stuff's about as relaxing for you as it is for my wife.
Jeg spiser bare Mars
I
bar.
don't want to sleep with you, and no.
Jeg lige over den her. Hvad er det lavet?
Okay, man, boobs, race you to the beach. I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio. I can't believe you're cheating already. Hello. Oh, look who it is. The man who can't stay on the path.
What's with the doing? Holy heck!
Run on the road. Take that traffic head on.
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
Ej, godt her
That
før.
space is yours. Own it.
Oh. Oh my god, man. Go.
Okay, man, boobs, race you to the beach. I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
Ow.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
I feel like I'm being chased by my creepy uncle. I can't believe you're cheating already.
Ja, det er det så lige er dårligst til.
Oh,
Det er så
look who
løb.
it is. The man who can't stay on the path. Too early. Classic schoolboy error.
Prøv at se en, der er den gamle dame.
Run on the road. Take that traffic head on.
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
Nogen er hurtigere. Jeg
Screw
tror,
you,
jeg
I'm
vil
running
have.
here.
Den må ikke løbe på vejen. Nej.
The failed shot. This is so tragic.
Slap af, gamle
You
dame.
know.
Det gælder ikke om at vælge det.
Ah,
Kom her. Gamle røv.
Oh, you about to
This must be so
Du er
emasculating
langsom
for
ned ad
you.
trapperne, Michael.
Okay, here we go. Last push. Come on. Flick the switch, Marianne. Let's go lactic.
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you.
My shrink's office is right near here if you want to work through some of that shit.
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy.
Vi vinder. Vinder vi? Vi vinder. Nej. Kom nu. Michael, for helvede. Din langsom skid. Vi vandt. Fandme.
That's too shabby, huh?
Totally null and void. I'd have annihilated you if you hadn't taken that shortcut.
Yeah, whatever gets you through it. Oh, like shit. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try.
Hey, det er min cykel. Kom, dame. Så. Nu kan vi bruge resten af tiden. Så kan vi så bare se. Om du sidder og glor på mig køre. I kan også bare bruge det. Det er bedst. Du kræfter med langsomt, Besse. Hov, Besse.
out the fucking way.
Fed cykel. Ah, nu tror hun det er min. Det er en bitch. Nej. Okay. Hvad er det?
Well, you've made it in the end. Please, take a seat.
Just don't like myself very much.
Hvad? Hvorfor mister jeg 1000 med at snakke? Det var nederen snak. Ja, og grunden til at jeg kører så dårligt, det er fordi jeg lige har startet på det. Og i munden skal jeg til så meget.
Tattoo artist breaks world record for worst tattoo.
Idiotic news. Derek Borinsky is standing in line to buy lottery tickets in a vain attempt to win the $500 million jackpot. Millions of residents are buying lottery tickets in the infinitely small hope that they can end a life of now suffering. Despite the overwhelming fact that millionaires are unhappy, many residents can't wait to wallow in that misery for themselves.
95% of San Andreans under the age of 45 now have a tattoo, but most are ignorant egomaniacs with no real sense of who they are.
Jeg lavede slet ikke nogen ordentlig vending der. Overhovedet ikke.
Broken the world record for worst tattoo, claiming to have inked over 500 tribal bands, tramp stamps, treasure maps, human centipede diagrams.
Ja, som jeg sagde i en af videoerne, som hedder Malte spiller MV3 for første gang med YouTube, som så mig. Og ja, i en af de videoer siger jeg også, at vi vil lukke noget GTA 5. Men og der sagde jeg, at vi skulle gøre det om ved ham, indtil jeg havde fået mit. Det nåede vi så ikke at gøre om med ham, men nu har jeg det, så kan jeg lave det her. Og nej, hvis der er nogen, der tænker det, så bruger jeg ikke et ret, fordi mit ret kan ikke klare det her.
It's a tedious non-smoking flight.
Men de vil med jer. Det er mig. Fake. Jeg klipper lige. Hej hej.